So I have two things going in my life right now. I have a broken Acer Odyssey G9 Neo, and I have a flamethrower. Now, of course, for science, what I'm wondering is how can I light this really sweet monitor that unfortunately I dropped whenever I moved into the studio? How can I light it on fire with this diesel shooting flamethrower, but have a reason to do it for science? We're gonna break from our regular scheduled programming of doing boat installs and maintenance and all the things that we do here on the channel, and we're gonna ask the question, what happens when we burn this monitor with this flamethrower and then throw one of these fire off balls on top of it? Now, this video isn't sponsored, so I don't know the science behind this or how it even works. I just found these things laying around the boatyard, and I'm wondering, when we set this monitor on fire, will throwing one of these on top of it actually put it out? Stay tuned, let's find out. We can do better than that. Let's douse it in some diesel and turn up the heat. We're about to throw the fireball on this thing, and I was way too close to the action. I had no idea what to expect, and what happened was really impressive and just about scared the hell out of me. Well, thank you guys for watching this experiment done in the name of science. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you on the next episode of the On Deck channel.